What is up, Togs? So we finally took the plunge here on the channel and got something because we're headed out to the International Motorcycle Show in Long Beach, and I wanted to make sure that I had this item that I've been looking at and had in my cart. I don't know if any of you do this, but put things in your cart on Amazon and then kind of just wait either to see if the price will drop or see if or kind of just warm up to the idea of purchasing something. But I've had this on my radar for a long time. Finally bought it because I wanted to have a stabilizer for my phone and for my camera that didn't require a battery because, you know, my stabilizer that is battery powered, it dies really quickly, and I didn't want to have to deal with recharging it all the time. And I had this on my radar. It has really good reviews, and watching YouTube videos on what people have to say about it, I was just excited to try this out. So I thought this was as good a time as any. This is the Roxant video camera stabilizer. It's a counterbalanced design, and we're just gonna unbox it here to show you what it comes with. And I've heard that it's open that upside down. I've heard that the feeling of it is very high quality, and that the counterbalancing of the camera and the process of doing that is easy and fairly straightforward and quick. So this is it. Basically just the pieces that you need. And I like this was I think it's not like a limited edition colorway, but this was definitely another reason why it's attractive to me. Was I like the color of it. So it looks like like a GoPro mount that you can mount up here with the screw for mounting a camera, which is right here. So that's kind of cool too. I wasn't aware that it had a GoPro mount that it came with, so that's cool. You got the handle here. It feels like a little bit of a rubberized grip, which is also nice. And we'll put this together really quickly, and we'll hop back into the video so you can see what it looks like when it's all put together.
A few moments later.
But there you go. This is the Roxant video camera stabilizer. There's no batteries required, so if you are out in the field, wherever it is, location that you're not going to want to have to recharge a battery-powered stabilizer, this might be the way that you want to go. It's fairly bulky, but it comes apart really quickly. But obviously, it can take up very little space as well, and pretty quickly. And putting my camera or my phone on my battery powered, the one I use is the Zion Smooth Q stabilizer that's battery powered. It takes a while for me to take that out and put my phone or my camera on that. So this is much more versatile. You can put your phone on here. You can also put your GoPro on here with this mount, and then obviously you can put your camera, whatever camera that you might have, this mount here. So these are all the pieces that come with the Roxant video camera stabilizer. If you have any questions about this, make sure to leave it in the comments. And I am an Amazon affiliate, so there'll be a link in the description if you choose to purchase this. Follow that link down there, and I get a little bit of money. It's not a whole lot, but that would help me out just a little bit. But guys, that's all I've got for you today. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up down there, which is the like button. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button, just like that. Guys, if you're out there riding, or if you're out there making videos, be safe, have fun. I'm that one guy, and I am out.